Folks, in this episode you'll see I have a mission for two old bikes, one from Melbourne, one from Dunolly, and I want to revive them. One's 1978 model, I can't remember what the other one is, I think it's 82 or 84, so around the late 70s and 80s bikes. They need a bit of TLC, they need a bit of fitter and turner mechanical help. So help's on its way, and we'll get hooking in it in my new workshop that hasn't been built yet. Enjoy the episode, folks. Just a few more dollars. Yesterday I picked up a bike. Today I'm going out to pick up another project. Oh my gosh. It's a bit of bull dust. All the trees are burnt here. We're 3 k's out from the pickup. I don't know if the man lives in a town or a farm, but I know he has a lot of cars and items for sale. But going there, pretty in anticipation we're gonna get a good deal. Okay, could be here. 2 k's to go. This is right on the railway here. I think this railway changes from different gauges. If we have a look down the track there, it changes, yeah, there. So we're looking for the house. I think it's here somewhere, just on the right. Oh, that's a caravan park. Oh, look. I think it must be that guy. Look at the stuff that he's got.
Destination on the left.
Yeah, it's there. At least this one's got a headlight, speedo and ignition. It's even got a key, so that's really good. No, I'll take this one. Yeah, no worries. And then I'll end up by getting a battery. I'll clean a few things up. This one's in better condition than the other one I picked up, and I had to drive 3.5 hours for that one.
Yeah, right there.
Each way.
Yeah.
Each way.
Yeah.
That was yesterday.
Yeah.
Parts. Oh, yeah, choke. I think it'll be up. Oh yeah, it's got a knob there and a knob there for a spring. Double standard. Double standard.
Yeah.
Double stands, actually. It's the Easter break, just going for a drive. You've got the electric fence I noticed here. Why would you have an electric fence here? Well, there's about 200 cows over there. One's having a big whiz. But you've got this bull here. Looks like an Indonesian bull. Never seen anything. Have a look at his calm as anything. And he's got a couple of mates there. And they've eaten enough feed. And here we've got these ones over here. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on now. These ones here, these look like Friesians, and see the udders are full, so they've just had babies, and the calves, they've just calved. These brown ones, the brown and white are Herefords. They're for breeding and for meat. That big one over there is a steer. He's not a bull, he's a steer. Oh, right over there. And a couple of motorbikes here, and they're doing a learner's course because they've got their high vis. He's a learner, that's Royal Enfield. He's got his indicator on. Oh, and that's a girl riding. That's a girl. She's on a learner's. Nice. Those cows there are on the other side of the fence. The little grumpy one, that one. Yeah, the udder. I think they're Friesians, and see how the udders is really full? Those ones will get milk tonight somewhere. I'm in Dunolly, and we're just having a rest. We had a bit of lunch actually. And there's a shop over the road, Turn Back Time. And he's only open on weekends, and he's got a lot of clocks in there. And all he does is fix and repair clocks, and there it is over there. And I think it's a good idea to tell my father about this, because that's the style and he'll have spare parts for him. So maybe I'll send my brother up here to collect them. The beans have given me power. The beans have given me power. Yeah, come on. Oh, it switched off. I think the fuel switched off. Now it probably flooded it. Maiden voyage. Now this is the same price as the green one, and this runs. The only thing it doesn't have is a front brake. It's got a rear brake though, look. And flat tyres. It's flat tyres, there's no air in it. Yeah, that's enough. So it just proves that you can get a Buick for cheap money and it's running. Fix the inner tubes or buy new inner tubes, straighten the lever out. The rear end, all the bearings are shot. So just a bit of, you've got to work on things. But overall, here's my overall thing. This bike is better, way better. It's got a speedo. Don't know if it worked, didn't check. Beautiful speedo. Ignition key and headlight. Couple of indicators. It's got all the switches. I think it had a different switch here, but that'll do, goodness me. The bike was marked down. I seen it early in the week and it was on 700 and I thought, it's, you know, these bikes are tired and that. It has got new chain and sprockets on it and a new fuel cock, and it's been gone through, and he's had it running quite well. So he marked it down and my wife picked it up and seen that it was chopped down from $700 to $400. I thought, that's in my range. If I had known that, I wouldn't have gone to Furniture Gully and got the green one, but it doesn't matter. The green one's still okay. See these forks here? They're all complete. See that? And on the other one, it's not, but it doesn't have a front guard. And here, one is the speedo and one is the front brake. See that? So they're the things I've got to work on, folks. As a new project, and clean, get the rusty off. Rusty. Big shout out to Brian Mills and Just In Case. They're supporting the channel. Guys and girls across the world, if you can just help us out, we can get a few more projects going. I like the suggestions someone made about the H-Series Holden. We're seriously looking into that, and I think I spotted one. It's a quite a bit of summer money. The platform to help us out is called Coffee, but it's spelled Ko-Fi. Dunolly.com, and it's in the description. So if you want to go there and just help us out, we can kickstart the program. Then we can make things a little bit more, we can rev things up a bit more. Wouldn't you like to see that? Not just motorbikes, cars and other projects. To the UK subscribers and watchers, this is Middlesbrough. That's from my father, that's over there. So I think they call them the Reds, Middlesbrough Reds. I used to watch them. Viduka used to play for them. I think Schwarzer was a goalkeeper for them. Mark Schwarzer? Yeah, that's how it is. My father's from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop us a comment. I don't have $1 million to go out and buy a HQ. Right, I spotted one for $3 grand. Maybe we get down to that in the track because I've got a lot of things on at the moment.